Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be using a CNC laser cutting engraver. It's from Creality Falcon 2. It was really simple to set up as soon as it comes right out of the box. So far everything looks very solid, everything's robust, nothing seems to be cheaply made. So let's go ahead and get something made and see how it turns out. So for my first project, I'm going to do something like a box. Looks like it's all done. Looks like it cut right through this 1/4 inch plywood like it was nothing. Let's get it out of here and get it all assembled. Alright guys, here's the box. I got it all glued together. Seems to turn out pretty good. Maybe some better adjustments. Definitely get the honeycomb bed. It looks like it burns on the back side of it when it's just laying against the metal. Other than that, I think it turned out pretty good. I'm going to cut one more thing. That turned out pretty well, pretty clean. Well, that's all there is to it. My honest opinion on the machine, it's a fantastic machine. It does exactly what it's supposed to do. It cuts through wood, it engraves on wood and other types of materials. The wood that I used here is a 1/4 inch thick. I had it set at 10% speed and 100% laser power, and it cut right through like it was butter. If I had to make a recommendation to anybody, definitely get one. I'll definitely be using this in the shop an awful lot, especially the engraving part on like custom boxes and cutting boards and stuff like that. I'll leave links in the description to where you can find these. And if this video helped, let me know in the comments. Hit like, subscribe, and again, thanks for watching.